Hello everyone! Welcome to the Tailor Made Apparels channel, where we provide expert insights into clothing manufacturing and printing technologies. Today, we're going to explore a crucial question in the custom apparel industry: DTG versus DTF printing. As a leading clothing manufacturer, I'm here to break down the strengths and weaknesses of both methods, helping you decide which one best suits your needs. Let's start with DTG, or direct-to-garment printing. This method uses advanced inkjet technology to print directly onto fabric, allowing for exceptional detail and color vibrancy. As an expert in this field, I can tell you that DTG is particularly advantageous for intricate designs and small runs, as it provides a soft feel on the garment due to the ink being absorbed into the fabric. It's perfect for personalized items, but keep in mind that it works best on 100% cotton or cotton blend fabrics. Now, let's examine DTF, or direct-to-film printing. This innovative method involves printing designs onto a special film, which is then heat transferred onto the fabric. DTF excels in producing vibrant colors and offers incredible durability, making it suitable for a wide variety of materials, including polyester and blends. From my experience, DTF is a versatile option that's ideal for larger orders, as it allows for efficient mass production without compromising quality. Now that we understand both methods, let's compare them in a few key areas. Cost effectiveness. DTG is typically more cost-effective for smaller quantities, while DTF becomes more economical for larger runs, thanks to its efficiency. Print quality. DTG is renowned for its soft touch and intricate detail, while DTF offers outstanding color vibrancy and durability, especially on diverse fabrics. In conclusion, both DTG and DTF have their unique advantages, and the right choice largely depends on your specific requirements. At Tailor Made Apparels, we leverage our expertise to offer both printing methods, ensuring that you get the best results for your custom clothing needs. With a minimum order quantity of just 50 pieces and a turnaround time of 14 days, we're ready to help you bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of custom clothing. If you have any questions or want to place an order, reach out to us through WhatsApp or email. See you in the next video.